Hi. Welcome to PhotoshopFire. In this tutorial I create a nice butterfly girl with glowing and sparkling wings. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6 and of course you can use earlier or later version. I create a document of 2000 by 1300 pixels. Make a new layer and fill with gradient of cyan and magenta. Create another layer and fill with clouds filter. Make sure you are at black and white. Change the layer mode to multiply. Reduce the layer opacity around 40. Make another layer and fill with circular gradient of white to black. Keep the layer in multiply mode. Reduce the opacity around 90. Now you get a nice vignette effect. I'm opening the girl image. I have already done path. Copy into the layout. Reducing the size. Now I open butterfly image. For the wings you can copy any nice artistic butterfly wings, or wings of an angel, or you can even copy Adobe Illustrator path, because we need only path in this project. Since there is white background, I cut with magic wand tool and copy into my layout. I need to make a path for this butterfly, so I need to do some manipulation. Make grayscale through hue saturation. Give more contrast. Make with solid black and white through threshold command. Select the butterfly layer by control-clicking the layer thumbnail. In Mac command-click. Stroke with around 5 pixels. I got the border now. I scale up the butterfly slightly. I rotate to match with the girl's body. Isolate the butterfly layer. Go to channels. Control-click any channel. In Mac command-click. The black portions are selected now. This selection I'm going to convert to path. Go to Path tab. Click this little triangle and select Make Work Path. Default tolerance is 2 pixels. But it doesn't work. Look at the path. It doesn't follow my black edge. Delete and make again with 0.5 pixel. It works now. Save the path. Next I create outline path for the girl. Control-click at the layer thumbnail. Command-click for Mac. Convert the selection into path. Save the path. I'm going to create a border for the wings now. Create a new layer. Select the butterfly path. I got some extra border. Delete that. Select any star brush. You can also select round brush. Reduce the brush size. Activate scattering. Adjust scatter. Adjust spacing. Make sure you have selected the new layer. Select the butterfly path. Click Stroke Path with Brush button. Deselect the path. The stroke is done with previous brush. Next I want to brush with normal round brush and make the path little prominent. Reduce the brush size. Click Stroke Path with Brush button. Stroke is done at the wings. Give glow now. Click Add Layer Style button and select Outer Glow. Change the blend mode to color dodge. Adjust the size, opacity and little spread. Now I create sparkles. Sparkles, I create with hard round brush. New layer. Select a hard round brush. Adjust the size. Activate scattering. Adjust the scatter. Adjust the spacing. Activate shape dynamics for size variance. Adjust the size jitter. You got size variance. I want to make opacity variance too. Go to transfer, adjust opacity jitter. You got opacity variance now. Ready for stroke. Before stroke, I'll rename all my layers. First glow. Second glow. This layer is for sparkles. Select the layer. Select the butterfly path. Click stroke path with brush button. It strokes with my brush, which I set just before. Change the layer blending mode. I think overlay works fine. Reduce the opacity. Sparkles are done. Next, glow for the girl. New layer. I'm adjusting the same brush which I used for sparkles. I reduce the scatter. Select the layer. Select the girl path. Click at stroke path with brush button. Stroke is done for the girl. Move the sparkles layer below first glow layer. Now first glow is prominent. For the girl stroke layer, I copy the layer style from first glow. Paste. Adjust the opacity. Click OK. Next I create kind of thick rays. New layer. This thick rays I create from dots. You can do rays from Adobe Illustrator and paste as pixels. Make a circle with circular marquee tool. Click this little triangle and select make work path. I select the hard round brush. Adjust the size. Adjust the spacing. I rename as circle glow. Click at stroke path with brush button. Select the whole canvas. Apply radial blur filter with zoom method. Apply once again. Select only that area and scale. Layer mode to overlay. It's not strong enough. Duplicate the same layer. Select both the layers and scale. Create a new layer. Name as dots. Select the hard round brush. Opacity around 20%. Layer mode to color dodge. Make dots of different sizes. Next, some thin long rays. Make a new layer. Name as rays. I delete butterfly layer. I don't need any more. I make center guidelines. Press Shift and stroke to make straight horizontal. Vertical stroke. Click Start Point. Press Shift and click the End Point. Make more cross strokes. Erase the edges. Make a duplicate layer. Rotate little. Merge both. Change the layer mode to color dodge. Adjust the opacity. Almost done. The girl is floating. I make a slight gradient mask. Erase the girl glow at the bottom. Now the girl is not going with the background color. I need to do something. I saturate little. Control click at the girl layer. I got selection in the shape of girl. Go to the pink and blue gradient layer. Press Ctrl J in PC, Command J in Mac. I got duplicate in the shape of the girl. Move the layer on top of the girl. Change the layer mode to color. Even overlay is fine. I make a mask around the face little. Finally, you got nice glowing butterfly girl with lots of glow and lots of sparkles. You can do it on even older version of Photoshop without using special brushes. Thanks for watching this tutorial.
For more tutorials, subscribe to PhotoshopFire.